DXmic is the latest generation ground microphone from HWM. The main screen allows you to set up the probe gain and the headphone volume, and from here the audio can be muted and unmuted. Filter controls as well as filter presets are also accessible from this screen. The frequency display is a very powerful tool to find the right filter configuration in any situation. Frequencies in the graph are shown low to high. The bar below the graph shows the current filter configuration. Use the filter controls to modify the configuration. This provides leak sound isolation. On the DXmic Pro, it is possible to activate the automatic filter, which will set the filter track to the current noise. The DXmic also stores preset configurations for metal and plastic pipes. The DXmic filter function eliminates unwanted frequencies. By removing interference, the DXmic device can quickly identify problem areas within the network. By touching the center of the screen, the meter display appears. It gives an alternative representation of the sound level. The DXmic comes with hearing protection functionality. This means that loud noises will cause the audio to be muted. This function can be enabled or disabled in the settings page. Tapping the graph button brings up the minimum level profile screen. Tap on the red record button to take a measurement. DXmic will store the minimum sound level over the last 3 seconds with date and time. The measurements are represented on the bar graph. It is possible to navigate the measurements using the arrow buttons. When a measurement is selected, its information is displayed on the side of the bar graph. It is possible to delete single measurements or clear the whole graph in one go. DXmic Pro has the ability to record sound samples. To record a sound sample, press the red microphone button. To stop the recording, press the stop button. The DXmic will store the sound sample and the minimum level. The measurement will be shown in the graph and the length of the sound sample is shown beside the wave icon. To play an audio sample, simply navigate to any measurement with an audio recording and press play. While the sound sample is looped, it is possible to modify the filter configuration while it is playing. The DXmic Pro can connect to a mobile device which is running the DXmic app. The app allows the user to retrieve data and recordings from the device. Connecting is easy. Audio files can be downloaded and reproduced in the app. The connection is active even when the mobile device is in sleep mode. Whenever a measurement is taken on a DXmic Pro with an active connection to the app, current location will be stored. It is also possible to modify any measurement's location.